Hello students of level 7, hope you are fine at your home. This is your new English book and it is a very interesting book. You can read many stories in it. So today we are going to read the first story, first chapter of the book, and the name of this chapter is Dreams of the Future. So you know what are dreams? Dreams means ख्वाब. किसके ख्वाब? For the of the future. Future के बारे में. So let's read the introduction of this. Little Women is a very famous novel by Louisa M. Alcott. It was written by Louisa M. Alcott and it is a novel. Novel means एक बड़ी जो नॉवल होती है जिसके अंदर स्टोरी होती है काफ़ी लंबी सी, तो उसको नॉवल कहते हैं. इट टेल्स द स्टोरी ऑफ मार्च फैमिली. सो द फैमिली, इट इज़ अबाउट अ फैमिली हुज नेम इज़ मार्च, a mother and her 4 daughters. So a mother had 4 daughters. Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy are 4 daughters. The father is away at war, so his father must be at war. He must be a soldier or somewhat, and the mother guides the family through the troubled times. So mother used to stay with the family. The girls play and work together and tease one another as all the girls do, as all the sisters do. So these girls, they are friend also, and sometimes they used to fight or tease each other. Yet they have a deep love for another, but they love each other. Laurie lives next door to the March family. Laurie is a boy, a small boy who lives next door to March family. So he is the neighbor of March family, with his overprotective rich grandfather. So he used to live with his grandfather. The girls befriend him and provide company to the lonely boys. So they become friends because they are neighbors. This extract is about these young people's dreams. So this extract is about the dream of these 5 children. What they will do, what they will be when they are going to grow up. So they dream about their future life. Let's start reading. One day Laurie, from where he lay in his garden, saw the sisters set out for a walk. So Laurie is standing in his garden and he's watching that the girls are going somewhere. Where are those girls going? He thought. Each wore a large hat, each had a bag over her shoulders, and each carried a long stick in her hand. So you can see the girls are going in cap, they are wearing bag, and they are holding large stick. Meg had something to sit on, Jo had a book, Beth has a basket, and Amy had a drawing thing. So they all are holding something. They walked one behind the other. Are they going to the waterfront? So he is guessing that where are they going, thought Laurie. But they went out of the garden, down the road, and began to climb the hill. So they are going far, somewhere in the woods at the top. Well, I think they might have asked me. Laurie decided to follow them and see what it all meant. So he is following him. By the time he was, अभी उनका पीछा कर रहे हैं, इनको ये हो रहा है तजस्सुस के ये, where are they going? By the time he was ready to go, he could not see the girls, but at last he found them sitting on the ground under the tree. So he saw them that these girls are playing under the tree. They did not see Laurie and he stood behind a tree watching them. It was a pretty picture. Meg was mending. Beth was playing with her doll, Amy was drawing, and Jo was making some socks as she read aloud. So they all are doing something. She's playing with the doll, she's mending the picture, and she's making a socks with the wool. You can see this. So all of them are doing something. The boy felt that he should not have come and ought to go away. The boy thought that he should go away, but he was lonely and so he stayed. Then Beth looked up, saw Laurie and smiled. May I join you, please? Or do you want me to? He asked. So he asked permission from them that may I join you? क्या आप disturb तो नहीं होंगे मुझसे? Jo said, of course you may. We would have asked you before, but we thought you wouldn't like such a girls' game at this. So he thought, Jo said, the girl said that you can join us. क्योंकि हमने आपसे इसलिए नहीं पूछा कि आपको शायद गर्ल्स के गेम पसंद ना आए. You see, we like to play the characters from the books Pilgrim Progress and we usually do it indoors. So ये गर्ल्स ड्रामा करती थी किसी एक नॉवल Pilgrim Progress को, So they used to play act on the Pilgrim Progress. This summer we decided to go on. So the girls used to play inside, but that day they decided to go out and play. Well said, Meg, as it is against our rule for someone to do nothing here and take the books and finish reading the story, Jo can go on her with her socks. So they had a rule that they will do something before playing. So all of them were doing something. So yes, madam, replied Laurie, I'll do anything if you let me stay for a bit. Hate to be alone for it's very dull down there. So Laurie said कि मैं बहुत बोर होता हूँ घर में. So I will do anything you ask me. The story was not so long. When it was finished, they sat for a time talking all the things each wished to do in the future. So after they are done with the things they had to do, now they are talking to each other. So students, I am finishing my till here, and in the next lecture, in the next video, I'll be reading the other part of the story. Thank you, students. Read it at home.